Big news today. Wall Street is changing fast. This time it is about tokenized bonds. But what are tokenized bonds? Think of traditional bonds. Now imagine them on blockchain, a digital version of bonds tradable 24/7, like crypto, no middleman required, just smart contracts. It is efficiency at scale, no paperwork. No delays. Investors love the speed, banks love the cost savings, and regulators are paying attention. Because trillions are at stake, Wall Street has started testing, and the numbers are growing fast. Last year, experiments were small, but now, global banks are diving and Goldman Sachs is exploring it. JP Morgan is piloting tokenized bonds. Even European banks are stepping up. The appeal is undeniable: instant settlement, full transparency, lower counterparty risk. It changes debt markets forever. No more waiting days for clearance, no more hidden fees. Everything is on blockchain, but it is not only banks. Governments are trying it too. Countries are issuing tokenized debt to attract investors. Worldwide, it makes bonds accessible globally, even to retail investors. Fractional ownership is possible. That means anyone can buy in, not just big institutions. It could democratize finance, but Wall Street is cautious. Because regulation is tricky, who will oversee tokenized bonds? How will compliance be handled? Can governments track ownership? These are the big questions, but progress is unstoppable. Technology always pushes forward. In fact, tokenized bonds are already live. Singapore tested them successfully, so did Switzerland. And the results were clear: faster trades, safer transactions, global adoption is now closer. Wall Street knows this trend matters because bonds are huge. We are talking trillions of dollars. Imagine even 10% tokenized. That is hundreds of billions moving into blockchain finance. This is no hype story, it is real. It is happening, and Wall Street wants control. Traditional finance cannot ignore this because investors demand change faster, cheaper, smarter. Markets. Tokenized bonds deliver that promise. But what about risks? Technology can fail. Cybersecurity threats are real, and adoption needs trust. Will people trust digital debt or prefer old paper systems that will define the timeline still? Tokenized bonds are here, and the first wave has arrived. Wall Street is transforming daily, and blockchain is the driver. A historic shift is underway, just like digital stock trading once was. Tokenized bonds may be the next frontier. This is not the future anymore. It is the present. Finance is evolving before our eyes, and Wall Street is rewriting the rules.